Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel CarTopNews, your one-stop destination for automotive and exclusive updates. The Toyota Vellfire appeals to the affluent who value exclusivity, status, and personal luxury. It delivers on all these fronts with its updated exterior and interior, refreshed features, and new cabin color themes. The new Toyota Vellfire was launched in India on August 3, 2023. The Toyota Vellfire is available in two variants, high-grade and VIP grade. The midlife update for the Vellfire includes a larger front grille with chrome accents and sleeker LED headlamps. The sliding rear power doors and flat roofline remain unchanged, but the alloy wheels are new. The rear features larger LED tail lamp clusters, and the MPV is available in three exterior colors: precious metal, platinum pearl white, and jet black. The Vellfire's cabin is available in sunset brown, black, and neutral beige themes. The dashboard now features a larger 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with a 15-speaker JBL sound system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The Vellfire includes new active and passive safety features. It comes with 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera, hill assist control, and ADAS features such as lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, a blind spot monitor, and high beam assist. The Vellfire is powered by a 2.5-liter strong hybrid engine that produces 190 brake horsepower and 240 Newton-meters of torque. It is paired with an eCVT unit and has a claimed mileage of 19.28 kilometers per liter. The Toyota Vellfire has not been crash tested yet. The Toyota Vellfire is priced between Rs 1.35 crore and Rs 1.47 crore, depending on the selected variant. Currently, the Vellfire has no direct rivals in the country. However, potential competitors include the upcoming new Karens and the Lexus LM. Thank you for watching CarTopNews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.